Hello, welcome to Harikrishna Reddy Institute of Civil's YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you can learn a lot of civils classes along with explanation in a brief way. So, in this video, I am going to explain you 20 general knowledge questions and answers which are necessary for UPSC civils exams. So, let's start our today's video. Our first question is respiration can occur in the absence of oxygen in which thing? The question is respiration can occur in the absence of oxygen in which thing? Answer is yeast. Yes, in yeast, respiration can occur in the absence of oxygen. Means if there is no oxygen in the yeast, the respiration can be occur. And next, let's see next question. How many times was the term of Lok Sabha extended up to 6 years? How many times was the term of the Lok Sabha extended up to 6 years? Answer is once. Once the Lok Sabha extended up to 6 years. Next question. Optic fibers are mainly used for which purpose? Optic fibers means here optic fiber is a fiber. So let's see answer. Answer is communication. Optic fibers are mainly used for communication. Let's see the question number 4. Asia has large areas of inland drainage. Why is it so? Here question is asking that Asia has large area of inland drainage. Inland drainage means the drainage system which is present inside the inland. So why is it so means they are asking reason. Let's see the answer. For rainfall is seasonal and scanty because rainfall is seasonal and scanty. Let's see next question. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born in which year? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born in which year? Answer is 1889. Answer is in 1889. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru born. He is the first Prime Minister of our India. Let's see next question. Which was the first to legalize euthanasia? The question is which was the first to legalize euthanasia? Answer is Netherlands. Answer is Netherlands. Next question. Chanda Kochhar leads to which of the organization? Chanda Kochhar is a person leads to which of the organization? Answer is to ICICI Bank. Yes, you are right. You have listened rightly. ICICI Bank was established by Chanda Kochhar. Let's see next question. What is the selectively permeable membrane of the cell? Answer is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the permeable membrane of the cell. Next question. Which country in Africa has luxurious tropical rainforests? Luxurious tropical rainforests. In Africa, which country have? Africa is a continent. So the country name is Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast is the country of Africa which has a lot of tropical forests. A lot of tropical rainforests. Where has the largest concentration of Harappan sites been found? Where has the largest concentration of Harappan sites been found? Answer is Dadar and Hathra. Dadar and Hathra are the places where Harappan culture has been mostly developed in ancient times. In which of parliamentary financial committees is a Rajya Sabha not presented? Means in some parliamentary financial committees is the Rajya Sabha will not be there. So let's see what are those. Those are estimate committee. In one committee there is no appearance of Rajya Sabha. That committee is estimates committee. Let's see next one. Which compound gives both ninhydrin test and Moll's test? Which compound gives both ninhydrin test and Moll's test? Let's see answer. Answer is a protein. In a protein test. Let's see next one. Next question is in which year was tax collection of central government lowest as compared to GDP? Means the tax collection is very less than the GDP. GDP means you know already I think. If you don't know please see my old videos. In 1999 to 2003 that is a tax year. Next question let's see. The greatest diversity of animal and species occurs in which forest? Means the greatest diversity of animals found in which forest? In tropical moist forest. Means where the tropical moist forest are there, there will be a great diversity of animals. And next question, where was a copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered? Answer, at Daimabad. At Daimabad or Daimabad. And 16th question is, Ban Ki-moon, the UNO Secretary General, belong to which country? Ban Ki-moon is the Secretary General, UNO Secretary General, related to which country? Let's see the answer. The answer is South Korea. He is related to the country South Korea. Let's see next question. Which unicellular non-pathogenic parasite is found in the human intestine? So he is asking the non-pathogenic parasite, unicellular, and it is answer is E. coli, means Acidicia coli. And next question. The States Recognition Act created how many states and union territories? It created 14 states and 6 union territories using the Act. State Act means State Recognition Act. In those, for example, Andhra Pradesh is also there in that Act. In which valley is the Himalayan pass Shipkila located? In Sutlej Valley. In Sutlej Valley. And last question of the video is, which Chola ruler converted the Bay of Bengal into a Chela lake? Answer is Rajendra I. So this is today's video, and I will meet you in the next video. Until it, bye bye, and I will meet you in the next video. And comment how is the today's video. Thank you, and like this video and share to more people to share more knowledge. Thank you.